Hello, my name is Charles Gervasi. My friend Dave Young and I have the opportunity to test the Fluke Connect functionality available in the Fluke test equipment. Fluke Connect is a system to connect measurement devices to a tablet or smartphone by Bluetooth Low Energy. I record the readings and share them with anyone around the world who's running the Fluke app. Here I have my reflow oven. It's actually a toaster oven, but I've had good results with it when I reflow boards, and the whole lab here runs on one 15 amp breaker. So this is just a small room big enough for 3 people, and we run on a 15 amp breaker. And I've often wondered how much power my oven takes as it's coming up to the set point. So with Fluke Connect, I can watch the temperature and current at the same time. So I have here a Fluke A3000 FC current clamp and a Fluke T3000 FC thermometer. So I have here my iPod Touch connected by Bluetooth Low Energy to these 2 pieces of equipment, and I have it's displaying the readings on both of them at the same time. So I'm going to put the thermocouple in my oven. So you can see the temperatures rising on the thermometer, and the current is now 9.4. So probably there's a thermal coefficient where it pulls a little, there's probably a positive thermal coefficient where it pulls a little less current as it heats up. But I can also display these on my phone, or it's actually an iPod Touch. It's like an iPhone but with no phone guts in it. So I got the thermocouple in there, got an old-fashioned thermometer in there, and it's slowly heating up, and we'll check back with it in a minute. Okay, we're approaching 200 degrees centigrade. Oh, there it goes. So I was able to watch that happening on just watching my phone. And I guess I could take this phone, I can take it down the hallway. It's overshooting just as it normally does. Oh, it turned back on, and there it goes. So I'm still within range, I'm still getting data. So I'm walking down the hall, and I'm recording this when it's after hours in the office. So, oh, I lost one of them. I got too far away. Okay, so I went about, I don't know if I went about 30 meters down the hall. And now, heading back in here, it found one of them. Oh, it found the it found the current meter, and now it's found them both. So, thermocouple did fine. It was nice that I was able to watch both meters at the same time. This test today kind of reminded me of my first job out of college, working on industrial lamp dimmers for the IC fabrication industry. And my job was to put thermocouple in these devices in these industrial power supplies, and then drive current to a load, and then measure the temperature inside the device and the current delivered to the load over time. And I would write that down. This is similar, but the data is in the Fluke app, so there's no danger of the recent grad having a transcription error. I don't imagine people using the Fluke Connect every day, although I think people who are more comfortable with phones, with smartphones, using that for equipment will. I would not use it every day, but the equipment runs just like a regular meter. You don't have to think about you don't have to use the Bluetooth when you don't want to. But when there's a case like my thermal test 15 years ago, I would definitely, it's definitely worth a few seconds to press the connect button, run the app on your phone, and be able to get the data on the phone and have it stored and have it stored and displayed for you there. So thanks for watching this video, and let me know in the comments what you think of Fluke Connect and just the whole concept of sharing data in the cloud and viewing the data on smartphones and tablets. Thank you.